This is Not the End Crochet. How you doing today? Hope you're doing great. I'm doing pretty good. Yesterday, I went to Hobby Lobby. I went with the intention of, okay, well, let's shop. So during my shopping, this is what I picked up. And I finally found that felt. It was in the bead department, which is really weird. I kept thinking it was going to be with the bandanas or with the scrapbook. Don't ask me why it was with the beads. I guess you can like glue beads onto it or some kind of craft. I have no idea. But I got 8 of those, and it's 2 per pouch. I'm talking about my furls pouch. It's 2 sheets per pouch, and each pouch holds 8. So this will do me for 32 hooks. At least I know where to find them now. That. And I'm making a runner for my dining room table. I'm switching out everything from burgundy, white, and black to white and blue. Don't know what to do with this yet. I'll figure it out. And looky what I got. I got a Knitter's Pride Swift. Well, we'll see about that. A little pricey. And I got the 5.5 millimeter. I thought I'd get out a try with all the cotton I've been buying. Yeah, we'll see. If I like it, I'll go back and get the rest of them. Let's see. And I can't really do sunburst granny squirrels without the sun. So I got some yellow. What is this? Let me see. I still got the same brand. I love this cotton. It says Sephora. Okie dokie. I don't think so, but okie dokie. And what's the color? We can debate on whether it's Sephora or not some other time. 326 Curry. Okay. I think this one was really pretty. It is 12 Buttercup. I like that one. And can I have the sun without orange? And it's 102 Glowing. Hey, what else did I get? I got a brush with my diamond painting. The drills want to stick to the tray, so I got something to knock them off. And the last thing I got, I think, the strong beads were on sale, 50% off. I got these. Ain't they pretty? I got this in my head about really fly bracelet and earrings. I don't know if they might be a little heavy for earrings. And a necklace. So we'll see how that's gonna work out. Come on, let go. Is that everything? Yeah, I'm afraid so. Okay, this is what I got for my Hobby Lobby shopping trip yesterday. I got beads, yarn, ribbon, a brush, wood hook, and some felt. Not bad for a day of shopping. Most of it was on sale, so really not bad. Y'all keep sweet now. Toodles.